Hi Soul Risers, welcome back. So this video is going to elaborate on the second process to achieving the ultimate abundance mindset and putting yourself in that position. The first process we talked about was being grateful for your past. The second process we're going to touch upon is take the words rejection and failure that are in your dictionary and completely delete them. Do not consider them as rejection and failures. Rejection and failures aren't really rejection and failures. They are opportunities of growth and learning. They're opportunities that help you become a better version of yourself. They're opportunities that teach you what you want in life and what you don't want in life. And they are learning and blessed opportunities that have come your way to teach you something. So replace the word failure and rejection from your dictionaries, your mental and psychological dictionaries, to the words opportunities for growth and learning. Okay? So next time you look back and you think, I failed in this, I got rejected and I feel terrible. Well, if you think that way, it again puts you in a disempowering place. What you could do instead is say, okay, I've had these myriad of failures and rejections, but no, it was actually all these opportunities that I received for growing, for becoming a better version of myself. So now start telling yourself how lucky and blessed you are because you have received so many opportunities all your life and you haven't lost anything. You have only gained perspective. You have only gained the teachings that help you move in a more desired direction. What you like and what you don't like, you have better clarity over that. Let's go to step 3.